as you, the one who wants to be sane, as you are respectful and loving to your family and doing everything you can to serve them, they reciprocate. They want to do the same thing for you and take care of you. And when you show them how much that means to you, when you thank them and you create this environment of gratitude and love in your home, then it doesn't have to be about being frustrated and angry. It's all about creating beautiful memories that are around food that will continually get healthier over time.